Yo, so I woke up today and I was like, let's do some carbon fiber. I gave it some thought. And I think I can do it. Like, dead ass, I think I can do it. I'm gonna go ahead and look up some videos and go buy some parts and let's try this. Am I gonna fuck up? More than likely. But if not, it's gonna be badass. So let's go. Alright, and this is my little junky setup. Sand it down a little bit more. I got the carbon I'm gonna use is this. Look how, ooh, sexy. Look at that. High chance I might fuck this up, but I think I gotta do the resin right now. Got my scale, and yeah, let's get it cracking. So you're gonna wanna, ooh, that bitch turned off. Turn it back on. Bruh. Come on, ho. All right, now that you got all that done, you gotta get a little bit sticky. I think you're supposed to wait about like an hour or so. So let's go get a dub real quick and we'll be right back. Let's check out. All right, let's go. All right, so we back in this bit. Now let's just check. It was kind of sticky. I think that's good enough. Now let's get some of the wrap. Some of the carbon, wherever the hell I left it, and
yeah. Let's smoke the whole motherfucking sack, nigga, like
3 times.
Now let's see it real quick. Yes, it looks like a hot ass mess, but we also got to apply another resin real quick, add it on. Then I'm pretty sure we got to use this cloth, then vacuum seal it. So let's get it cracking. Let's see if I could fix this. Let's go. Alright, so you're gonna get the cloth, you're gonna put it right there. I don't have one of those little rollers, so I'm just trying to max everything out. Get everything on there if I can. Put some in here, get this piece. Oh, okay, now when you do this, you gotta vacuum seal it. So I went to Harbor Freight. I don't know if you guys can see that shit over there. I went to Harbor Freight. And I'm about to vacuum seal it, and we'll wait until tomorrow to see either if I fucked up or I did a good job. So yeah. All right, so kind of ran into a little problem. I kind of ripped this sucker, but if you ever want to do this, you're gonna need 2 people. Get some saran wrap, a heat gun, and wrap the hell out of it. then use the heat gun to tighten everything up. Would it work? I don't know. But we will find out tomorrow if it works. See how it ends. Then after that, we sand it down and then clear coat this sucker.
24 hours later.
All right, so it's the next day. This is kind of what I'm working with. I'm just trying to sand everything down. Everything that's kind of bad. Fixing up the imperfections. Then I'm gonna put epoxy on it one more time. But right now I'm just gonna sand the crap out of it. Kind of busy using both hands right now, so yeah, just wait for the next one. So I finished the sanding. This is the second clear coat. Like, I see, I was able to fix some imperfections.
Look, okay, push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds, making house rounds, throwing hands like ants, work or hoops, do a roundhouse, kick a jaw loose.
All right, so this is gonna be like a little quick test fit, how it's gonna look. There's a little bit of imperfections that I have to still fix, like on this end, maybe over here, but this is how it looks. Gold forged carbon. All right, so that's gonna be for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and finish everything off. I will post some pictures on Instagram, but so far I'm pretty happy how it looks.